channel, welcome back to Driving Horizons. Richard here, and it's good to see everyone again. Now, you may have noticed recently that there haven't been many videos on campervan travel and going out to campsites and campsite reviews and things like that, all the stuff that I've done over the past for the channel. It's because I've been distracted with other things, with work and pursuing something else that I wanted to do, which was photography for pleasure, which I've done behind the scenes, gone out on one of my other channels and taken videos of me doing some landscape and outdoor photography and things like that. But I have really missed putting content out on Driving Horizons, so that is going to change. Got some great videos. Before I come to what's coming up, I'll let you know where I am. I've come down to my local beach, which is a local beach in the New Forest, and I just thought, rather than record this at home in the office where it's all a bit boring, I thought I'd come down and see what the weather's like. It's really foggy today. Today ironically would have been a great time to get up and go out and take some photos, but I didn't realise it was going to be quite this foggy and this sort of atmospheric, so I didn't. But here I am, I'm down at Leap, and I just want to let you know what's coming up on the channel. So we went to the Motorhome show last week. We visited the NEC in Birmingham. We spent 3 nights there, and we went for 2.5 days looking around the NEC, and I've got a couple of videos coming up on that, and that kind of reignited our desire to get out there. So we then booked a single one-night stop away at a local campsite, which we didn't even know existed. It was half an hour drive, good facilities, pub next door, and it was perfect for this kind of time of year, this kind of weather, where we can just get out and not have to worry about cooking and being cramped up in the van and things like that. So stay tuned for that as well. So looking ahead, we've got some trips. We've got one particular trip planned in April. It's currently the start of March, so we're looking forward to exploring over Devon Way for 4 or 5 days. But I'm hoping to get away personally for a night or two, and just to do some photos separately, but also show you guys where I go, look at the campsites that I might visit, things like that. So yeah, all that's coming up. And one of the things that I'm really keen on doing is exploring campsites where you can go on hikes and walks straight from the campsite. I think I might have done a video or blog post about that recently, but a lot of those campsites were sort of quite far away and not something you could go to for just one night. So I'm hoping to find some of those more local campsites on the south coast of England that I can maybe visit for one night, get some photos, and show you guys the campsites, and it may be something that you might find useful to go and visit yourself one day. That's pretty much it, I think. The USA videos that I put out recently may not have been the best thing to put out on the channel. I think it's lost a few subscribers, but I wanted to do it. It's there for our memories as much as anything else, and some people may have enjoyed it. But the campervan channel is back. I'm looking forward to getting campervan content out onto the channel. UK travel predominantly, although we are considering a trip to Europe in the summer, which will be great fun. But that's it. If you like campervan travel, you like UK travel, you like getting out and about and seeing the sights and seeing Mother Nature and the paths and the treks and the campsites and the sights and sounds of the UK, then why not like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you soon. But that's it for now. Stay tuned for lots more.